ಹಾಯ್ ಹಲೋ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಸ್ನೇಹ-ಜಗತ್ತು ವಿತ್ ರೆಬಲ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ನಾವು ಈಗ ಏನು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಪ್ರಿಪ್ರೇಟರಿ 2 ನಡೀತು. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕನ್ನಡ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇವತ್ತು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಕೂಡ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಪ್ರಿಪ್ರೇಟರಿ 2? ಈಸಿ ಇತ್ತಾ, ಕಷ್ಟ ಇತ್ತಾ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು, ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಬನ್ನಿ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. First question, HCF of the smallest prime number and smallest composite number. Smallest prime number, that is 2. What do you mean by prime number? That number is divisible by 1 and itself. So smallest prime number 2 and smallest composite number, that is 4. Then they are asking HCF. HCF they are asking, that is 2 ones are 2 twos are. What is the HCF of smallest prime number and a smallest composite number? That is 2. Answer for that one question 2. Come to the next question. The arithmetic progression in the following is. They are asking which one will be arithmetic among these 4. So which one? If common difference will be same for given progression means then we can say that one will be arithmetic progression, that is AP. Then 1 difference between these two, how much? That is 1. Okay, difference between these two, that is 4 minus 2 means 2. Difference will be common, difference will be not same, so A is not possible. Then 7 minus 3, 7 minus 3 means 4. 10 minus 7, that is 3. Then common difference will be different, so B also not possible. Come to the C. 4 minus 1, that is 3. 9 minus 4, that is 5. This one also not possible. Which one will be arithmetic progression now? In the given 4 option, you can check out 9 minus 5, that is 4. 13 minus 9, 4. 17 minus 13, 4. Then which one will be arithmetic progression? D. 5, 9, 13, 17. Why? Common difference D is equal to 4. For second one option, for second one question, D will be correct. Then degree of A, you have to find out degree. 2x cube plus 3x minus 11x square plus 6. What do you mean by degree? Degree means highest power of the given polynomial. Here highest power is 3. So answer is 3. Then if a pair of linear equation is inconsistent, they are asking inconsistence. In which line represent inconsistence means that is parallel lines. Parallel lines will be showing inconsistence. Remaining two, that is intersecting line and also coincidence lines will be consistent lines. Why consistent? That have a solution. So which one will be inconsistent means parallel lines are inconsistent. Question. The quadratic equation among the following equation is. Here they given 4 equation. Which one will be quadratic equation? What do you mean by quadratic equation? Degree should be 2. Degree should be 2 means this one will be not possible. This one will be linear equation. If I multiply x inside the bracket means x cube. X into x square, x cube. So cube means that one will be D by AB is equal to, what is the ratio they are asking? DE by BC. We knew what is AD. They only given AD value will be 4. AB, that is 4 plus 2, that is 6. Then you can cancel 2 2s are, 2 3s are. Then ratio become 2 is to 3. 2 is to 3. Then next question. The ratio of the following of the volume of sphere and hemisphere having equal radius. They are asking ratio. Volume of a sphere. Volume of a sphere formula 4 by 3 pi r cube. That ratio is equal, ratio they are asking, so is to hemisphere ratio, that is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Then 2 ones are, 2 twos are, 3 3 get cancelled, pi r cube get cancelled. What will be left? 2 is to 1. What is the correct answer for ratios here? For volume of sphere and hemisphere, that is 2 is to 1. The correct relation is, they given a here identity, that is first identity, sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Remaining is a not a relations. This one will be correct relation. Next question, 1 marks questions now. In a class, number of boys, they only given which variable? X. Number of boys that is X. X is means equal. One more than means plus. One more than. Twice the number of girls. Twice means 2. Twice the number of girls, that is they only given Y. This one will be linear equation. How can we write? Take x and y variable will be same side, that is x minus 2y is minus 1 equal to 0. That is linear equation. Next, write a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are alpha and beta. Important formula, that is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. They are asking polynomial, no need to show equal to 0. When they are asking quadratic equation, you can show equal to 0. Now this one will be sum of 0, this one will be product of 0. Once again, x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. This one will be quadratic polynomial. Find the mode of the data whose mean is 27 and median is 23. We have one relation between mean, mode, median, that is 3 median plus mode. 3 median plus mode, once again 3 median equal to mode plus 2 mean. This relation will be most important, that is 3 median is equal to mode plus 2 mean. They given here mean and median. We have to find out a mode. Keep mode here only, take mean this side, that is 3 median minus 2 mean is equal to mode. Okay, now 3 into median, what they given? Median is 33 minus 2 mean 27 is equal to mode. Then you have to multiply 3 into 33, that is 99 minus 2 into 27. 2 sevens are 14, 2 twos are 4 plus 1 5. You have to do it subtraction, you are getting 45. Mode is equal to 45. Don't forget this relation, 3 median is equal to mode plus 2 mean. Next question, 12th one. If the third term of the AP is 13, third term how will I present? A3 is equal to 13. They only given 13. Second term is 8. Second term A2 is equal to 8. Find the first term. We have to find out A. First term A1. Okay now. How can we return? A plus 2D is equal to 13. A2 how can we return? A plus D is equal to 8. Then you can go with elimination. Sign change it. Then A get cancelled. D is equal to 13 minus 8, that is 5. D value get it. Put it for any one equation. I will consider second equation. A plus D is equal to 8. So I knew D value. So A is equal to 8 minus D value minus 5. That is 3. A value is equal to 3. D value 5. A value is equal to 3. First term is equal to 3. Find the coordinates of the midpoint of the line segment joining the point, that is 2, 3 and 4, 7. First you have to write the midpoint formula, that is x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Recall this formula, midpoint formula. Then what is x1, what is x2, y1, y2, you have to write it. This one is x1, y1, x2, y2. So put it that value for the formula, that is 1 plus 4 by 2. Oh, sorry, this one will be not 1, 2. Then 3 plus 7 by 2. Then 2 plus 4, that is 6 by 2, 10 by 2. 6 by 2 means 2 ones are 2 threes, 2 ones are 2 fives. Then that midpoints are 3, 5. Answer for this question, 3, 5 are the midpoint of the given line segment. Then next question about a probability. There are 50 pens. There are 50 pens in the box. 2 pens among them are defective. Among 50 pens, 2 pens are defective. Means it's not working. A pen is drawn randomly. They are picking some pens from the box. What is the probability of a defective pen? You already knew formula. Number of favorable outcome divided by total outcome. What is the total outcome? That is 50. You have to write denominator, that 50. What they are asking? Defective pens they are asking. How many defective pens are there? 2. That is 2 by 50. That is 2 ones are 2, 25s are 1 by 25. What is the answer for the find the probability of a defective pen? 1 by 25. Among 25 pens, 1 will be defective pen. Figure. Here they given a 2 triangle, that is ABC and PQR. We have to write ratio of a corresponding sides of a triangle. Ratios we have to write. First take AB. That is AB. Here A is one angle they show. That A angle is equal to Q angle. So A. In the place of A you have to write Q. B. B is not shown anything. Which angle here not shown means that one say R. Q R. Next you have to take another side, that is BC. Again, B is replaced by R. C. C will be double angle. Which one will be double angle? That is P. Then AC. AC. A means single angle, that is Q. C is double angle, that is P. Ratio of your respective triangles are AB by QR is equal to BC by RP is equal to AC by QP of the corresponding ratio of the sides. Here, next question, a rectangular sheet of paper is measuring, they given here length and breadth, that is 40 into 22. Length and breadth they given is rolled to form a hollow cylinder. Here, see here, I have one sheet here. This one will be sheet, you have to assume that length will be 40, breadth will be 20. I am making a roll. Here I am making a roll to get a cylinder. Now you can see that cylinder. Then you have to assume, we have to find a R, means radius. First thing, this one will be rectangular sheet. I am making a cylinder, hollow cylinder. Hollow means empty. Nothing will be inside, that we called hollow. Now, this what we have to find out? We have to find out a curved surface area using that sheet means L into B. Area of a rectangle is equal to L into B, that is 40 into 20. 40 into 20. What happened? 20 into 4 means 88. Join this 0. Area of a rectangle, that is 880 centimeters square, is equal to CSA of a cylinder. CSA of a cylinder. Using CSA of a cylinder, you have to find out a R. What is the formula for curved surface area of a cylinder? That is 2 pi RH CSA of cylinder. 2 pi RH. You have to remember that formulas. 2 into pi value 22 by 7. We don't know R value, write it R. H value, height. You have to take height as a length, that is 40. 22 by 7 into R. What is the H value here? Hollow cylinder of the height H they given, that is 40. Write it 40. 0, 0 get cancelled. 4 ones are 4 22s are. Then 22 22 will be get cancelled. Then R is equal to, then go with reciprocal, 7 by 2, that is 3.5 centimeter. R value will be 3.5 centimeter. Once again you have to remember here, rectangular sheet, area of a rectangle, L into B, length into breadth, that is 40 into 22, 880. This one will be equal to CSE of a cylinder, that is equal to CSE of a cylinder. Don't forget that formula, 2 pi RH. So put it value, then simplify. R value is equal to 7 by 2. Question. Prove that 5 plus root 3 is an irrational number. Two important question. 5 plus root 3 is irrational. Before it, they are asking irrational. You have to assume contradiction. That one will be 5 plus root 3 is rational. That is, let 5 plus root 3 is rational. You have to assume that thing, that is rational. Rational means in the form of P by Q. P by Q. That is Q not equal to 0. This thing you have to mention. Otherwise you have to take A by B also. Then I will take this plus 3 will be that side. Root 3 is equal to P by Q minus 5. Then you have to take LCM. That is P minus 5Q divided by Q. Root 3 is equal to P minus 5Q divided by Q. Then if you assume that 5 plus root 3 is rational, then P plus this thing also become a rational. If this thing will be rational, means this thing equal to root 3. This one also become rational. But root 3 is a irrational number. We already knew. This one will be contradiction to our assumption. Then I can say root 3 is not a rational, or irrational is not a rational. So our assumption is wrong. So our assumption is wrong. That is 5 plus root 3 is irrational. If you write this much is enough for 2 marks. Most important question, you have to remember this one. Then our next question. Let us move to next question, that is 18th question. Find the sum of first 20 terms. Sum of first 20 terms of an AP arithmetic progression, that is 11, 14, 17. Using formula, they clearly mentioned using formula. Then you have to use SN formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is a formula. Then what is A, what is N, what is D? You have to mention it. What is A? A means 11. A is equal to 11. D. D means second term minus first term. 14 minus 11, that is 3. How many terms? There are 20 terms. N is equal to 20. What we have to find out? S20. We have to find out S20. Put it this respective value for the formula, that is 10 by 2, 20 by 2, 2 into A value 11 plus N value is 20. 20 minus 1, D value 3. Then go with a simplification part. You can cancel 2 ones are 2, 10s are 10 by into 11 twos are 22 plus 20 minus 1 19, 19 threes are how much? 57. 57. Then 10 into 22 plus 57, that is 79. Yes, 79. 7 plus 2 9, 5 plus 2 7. Then 10 into 79, that one will be 790. Yes, 20 of a given progression, that is 790. Sum of the 20 terms, that is 790. Our next question, the distance between point. Here they given a point P 5 comma 3, Q 1 comma 3 using distance formula. You have to remember distance formula. D is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Still so many members doing mistake. Where they are doing mistake? x1, x2, y1, y2. You are taking like that. But you have to, that ordered pair always represented a x comma y. That is x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2. Then you have to put it values for formula. x2 is equal to 1 minus x1 5 plus y2 3 minus 6. Put it square. Then square root of 1 minus 5, that is minus 4 whole square. 3 minus 6 minus 3 whole square. There is a square, not at all problem about a minus sign. Then square root of minus 4 whole square means minus 4 into minus 4, that is 4 square is 16. 3 square 9. Square root of 16 plus 9, that is 25. 25 is square number, that is 5. 5 units. So distance between these 2 points, that is P and Q, is 5 units. Next question. Find sine C. Here they given a right angle triangle. Trigonometry question. This one will be sine C. You have to observe angle sine C and cos A. Before it, check out here. They given AB value, BC value. They not given AC. What is the AC? How can we find out? Using Pythagoras theorem, you have to find that AC value. What will be Pythagoras theorem for here? For ABC triangle, that is hypotenuse side, that is AC square, and is equal to AB square plus BC square. Then we don't know AC, keep AC as it is only. AB we knew, that is 1. 1 square plus BC value root 3. Root 3 whole square. Square root get cancelled. 1 square means 1. Square root cancel means 3. AC square is equal to 4, but AC is equal to root 4. Root 4 value 2. Then AC value become now 2. AC value will be 2. Now you have to find out sin C plus cos A. Sin C plus cos A. What is the sine ratio? Sine opposite by hypotenuse. For C angle, don't write here picture which one will be opposite, which one will be adjacent. Hypotenuse. Why? Angles are different. So you have to see. Keep angle C. Okay, now C, keep finger on a C angle. For C, opposite is AB. AB by hypotenuse is fixed, that is AC. Cos. Cos A, they are asking cos. Cos adjacent, again AB. Hypotenuse AC. Same thing are there. AB by AC plus AB by AC. What is AB value? 1. AC value 2. Again 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is 1. What is the value of sin A plus cos A means? That value will be 1. Our next question, what is tangent of a circle? Tangent of a circle. What is the maximum number of tangents? Maximum number of tangent that can be drawn for a circle from an external point. What do you mean by tangent? Tangent is a straight line passes through the, this one will be circle, tangent will be line, that one will be passes through the any one point of the circle. It touches the one point, that is here xy is a tangent. They are asking, tangent means a straight line that passes through any one point of the circle. Tangent always outside of the circle. Then clear about a tangent. What is the maximum number of tangent that can be drawn to a circle from an external point? Here y is a external point, through y how many tangent I can draw? Only I can draw two tangent, that is you can give xy, then here I given as a contact point as a p. Then you can say how many tangent p, y and xy. How many tangent we can draw? Two tangent we can draw a circle for an external point. But how many tangent we can draw for a circle means we can draw infinite number of tangent we can draw for a circle, but from an external point only two tangent we can draw. Here y is an external point. Contact point will be, you can give here p and q are the contact points.